man, you dirty man. You dirty man. Leave the people picking them alone.
Wagwan people, wagwan, we put in a right and thing, you know, just vibes radio live, not the place direct and thing. But people, so we have a few news we want to cover real quick. It now gonna be long, it gonna be short and concise, you know the vibes are ready. So, my people, Popcaan rumors about arrested for having an illegal possession of firearm. Rumors, fake, and also this big crusty man, you gonna touch the people, them 6-year-old girl picnic. You dirty boy, yo. You see me, we'll cover this and more when we come back. Welcome back. If you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe now and click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. So, my people, we're gonna start off with the Popcaan news. So, recently or earlier, there was rumors gonna run about Popcaan being arrested for having an illegal possession of firearm. Doing an attorney at law, Bert Samuel, has rubbished the rumors circulating that his client, DJ Popcaan, was held with an illegal gun by cops during a routine spot checking on Tuesday. It is a total fabrication. There is nothing even close to that. I spoke to Popcaan 10 minutes ago and it's a total rumor. Nothing like that, Samuel said. The rumor people began to circulate as a result of a video making the rounds on social media with a woman narrating the news that the DJ had been held with a gun. My people, them always do them things here. Them always try to tarnish the artist them career. You see it? Now my people, I did saw something about Popcaan trying to diss my vibe, but I didn't want to talk about it. It was never important to me, you see it? But this, my people, caught my attention, you see it? Like, when you're trying to tarnish someone's career, an image like this is something serious. You get me? I say, you cannot go around and spreading rumors like this about a person having gun or whatever the case may be. You see, my people? So we had learned that it's actually a fake news. Nothing like that happened. You see me? So Popcaan, well, alright and thing. I haven't seen where he's addressed the situation as yet. You get me? I say, my people. But Popcaan good and thing. Also doing thing and thing, you see me? We're moving right along, my people. So while we're here, something happened in St. Catherine. My people, let's imagine you have a neighbor where you trust and thing. You trust him with your youth and you give him food, you feed him, you give him money, you do everything. And for later find out say molest a little girl, what you done do? While at St. Catherine, a mother was finishing up her shift at a bar where she works. A trusted neighbor and a friend who she had earlier given dinner allegedly used the opportunity to sneak into their house and molest the sleeping child, the 6-year-old. But people, imagine that. Some folk talk about it. According to the mother, she had left her daughter in the care of her sister-in-law and went to work. The mother told the Star that while she was at work checking off the day sale, the man who it's believed to be in his 50s, visited the bar and bought a half-Q mix and a boom. You get me? I say, afterwards he began flirting with her boss, but his action went unjudged. So she tell him say she don't have no time for that. She told him that she can't deal with him now because she's going to check off, the mother said. The man subsequently left the bar, but to the surprise of community members, the brute went to the bartender house and assaulted her little girl. The unsuspecting mother was still at the bar when she got a call from her sister-in-law who told her about the incident. When me get the call, me just run off. Me no know myself. Me didn't even know what really going on. Me did mad. Me did dark. I don't know what was going on through my mind. Me couldn't even talk for answer the word them what she actually said to me on the phone. Me just start run, she recalled. On her way home from the bar, she stumbled upon an angry mob that had surrounded the person who allegedly did the assault. Blooded like them beat him, my people. Them beat him. It looked like them did a beat him. She surmised at that time she was right. After news broke in the community, the man was mobbed and beaten. He was rescued by police and was later arrested. Currently, he is now hospitalized and is being guarded by police. Me never expect this. Him live here how long no one will know him. Our friend, him all Janu, beg some of my dinner and me give me yesterday. My people, so there you have it. Janu star, the man named 50s got trouble little 6-year-old girl. Oh Jesus, not the little baby sleep, my people. So my people, based on the information what me I get so far is that I know the first time when I do that, him daughter confess say yo, him normally molest her and things. So this boy, this man here, him have a little dirty style here from long time. We should get rid of him, my people. So just imagine you left your little daughter gonna work here, and as somebody where you trust to, you know. You feed him, you know, good, and you get a phone call, see him molest your little 6-year-old. Not your 15-year-old, no, your 16-year-old. What you done do? You see me like, me don't know where the money here see. Now them things here, if you touch the little girl, them like them little dirty man here. If you leave it pit them alone, my people, like, I know my youth, I'ma feel it. That's why I pray to your Father God. Give me a boy when we forget a girl pregnant. Because I can't manage this. People can't feel insecure if you left them pitney and go about them business and come back and have your words or something like that. Either them family have trouble them or them your close friend. But what me want to talk about is that the sister-in-law, where was she during the time of the event? Like, it happened around up in the night, like about 8 p.m. so or 9 p.m. so where was the sister-in-law? The baby was sleeping in her sleep, in molest her like. So me I wonder how me get access to, well, maybe I have access to the house. You see me? So I have access to the house and thing, but me not understand like Janu star rough. By the way you know, by the way you know. Just imagine that, my people. You're rough man, like me don't even know if I'm speechless right now, but they mob him still, which is highly expected. Police save him. And me did see the video. The man in blood up, like people are saying, tough, he not dead yet. Beat him to shed, my people. Every weapon him a bleed him, deserve it. Me is a person, me not really believe in the jungle justice thing, but you see when a man do something like that, you get beaten. You see me? You can't see a 60-year-old who can't even talk, my people. You gonna touch a 60-year-old. Big great tone man like you. We are 50 yard. Come on, man. This can't be a real place. This need crowd, my people. You get me? I say, but my people, Janu, one officer, wanna feel them shouldn't beat them money to death. I don't feel like the police come right in time to shave him. Him not deserve to get beaten. Wanna think and Popcaan situation. Wanna feel like people stop spread rumors on the artists them like that until them get confirmation of real, reliable news. Them can, but I don't know what to say to my people. Comment in the comment section below. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. Make sure you subscribe.